Power BI, how to connect a SharePoint list using Power BI. In this video, I'll show you how to use Power BI to connect to a SharePoint list. In Power BI, select Get Data and select More. Type in SharePoint. You'll see three options. For a SharePoint list, you can either select SharePoint List or SharePoint Online List. The SharePoint List option works if your list is on-premise or online. If you select SharePoint Online, you have additional options. We'll select SharePoint Online Lists. Once you select either of the list options, you'll need to put in your team's site URL. To get this, open up Teams and navigate to the team where your list is. Select the General channel, select Shared, select the three dots, ellipses, and select Open in SharePoint. This will open the back end of your team, SharePoint, in a browser. You can then copy the SharePoint URL. Everything to the left of the word shared, including the /. Back in Power BI, paste in the site URL. And if you selected the online option, you can choose to connect all columns or the default view columns. We only want the default view columns, so we'll select this and select OK. If you've already authenticated, it will show you all of the lists in that SharePoint site. If you haven't, you'll be prompted to authenticate. Select Microsoft Account in the left side menu and select Sign In. Select your @schools email account and select Connect. Select the list you want to connect. You'll see a preview. Then select the checkbox next to the list and select Load. Once loaded, you can select the list in data and access your columns to use in your dashboard. Now, if your data changes, in this case I've added an entry to the SharePoint list, when you refresh, your data in your visualizations will change.